Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of computer, chapter number 1, files and folders. In the previous lecture, we have learned about files and folders. We have learned what is a file. Files are different types of program which is stored in the computer, and folder is a place where files are kept. So students, in the previous lecture, we have learned about files and folders. What we have learned regarding file, the file is a part of a program. Okay, for example, if you are creating any file in Notepad, WordPad or Paint, okay, so it is created. And how we can identify which file it is? By its extension. Okay, what we have seen about Notepad, WordPad, right? For Notepad, .txt or .doc, so different extensions are there. So because of this extension, we can know that which file it is. And we have also learned about folders, right? What is a folder? Where we are putting the files. Okay, so we have seen how to create the folder by right clicking on the new folder option. First you have to right click, then click on the new folder, then the new folder will be created. You can name the folder of your choice. Okay, so when the file is created, you can save the folder. Okay, for example, if you are using using a computer and you want to create a folder regarding your family photos or a wedding photos, so you have just to create a folder and you can save any files there. Okay, regarding photos or any functions you want. If you want to keep the reminder, you can put it. You can also save the important documents of your family members, so keep them same. Okay, so folders are very important because of the folder we are know that for which purpose it is. Okay, now let us learn more about files and folders. File name and file extension. In tabular format, we have seen different file extension and the type of program it belongs to. File name and file extension. Remember the following points while giving file name in Windows 7. What is a folder? How to create a folder in Windows? And following are the process which can be performed on a file or folder. So students, these are the points which we have learned in the previous lecture. File name and file extension. We have seen the tabular format in which file extension and the type of program it belongs to. File name and file extension, same points is there. So we have to remember the points while giving any file name in Windows 7 that are covered. Okay, it must not be than 255 characters. Okay, and extension must be of 3 to 4 characters. What is folder? We have also studied what is a folder. How to create, that also we have covered the point. And following process are which can be performed on file and folder, we have also seen that. Okay, which process we can do on file and folder. Okay, we can change the extension, we can change the file name, we can delete, erase. Okay, so modification also we have learned regarding files and folder. Now next point, to work with files and folder using Windows Explorer. Now we will study how we can work with files and folder using Windows Explorer. All of you are familiar with Windows Explorer, right? It is in the computer only. You can perform copy, delete and rename operation on any file or folder very easily using Windows Explorer. Okay, so it is like a directory, you can say. You can easily work with them. Okay, open Windows Explorer and perform the following action. Open Windows Explorer and perform the following action. Click on the document shown on the left side pane. Create new folder using file new folder option. Rename the new folder with the name subjects. Now open subjects folder by double clicking it or selecting subject folder from the left pane of Windows Explorer. Now students, here you can see how we can open the Windows Explorer and perform the following task. So what we have to do? First you have to click on documents, then you have to create a new folder, okay, using file new folder option. Okay, rename the new folder with the name subjects. You can name this folder name as subject. Now you will when you double click on the subject, then it will open. You will notice that right side of Windows Explorer is empty. This is because subject folder is empty. Now right click on this empty area and select new folder option from the pop-up menu, and one by one create 3 folders with the name maths, science and computer. Now here is the specific part, because you have to know about Windows Explorer is like a directory. Okay, so when you are creating, it's a main folder you have to create, then you have to create the subfolder. Okay, first what we will do, you will click on new folder. You will create a new folder which we have learned the previous lecture. Then you will rename as subjects. Okay, then when you will open the subject button, it will be it will open, but it is an empty folder because we have not saved any file in that. Okay, now now here you can see from the left of Windows Explorer it is empty. Then you have to create 3 new folder. You will notice that right side of Windows Explorer is empty. This is because subject folder is empty. Now right click on this empty area and select new folder option from the pop-up menu, and one by one create 3 new folder. In that subjects you have to create 3 folders with the name of maths, science and computer. So once main folder will be subjects and the subfolder will be math, science and computer. Open Windows Explorer and perform the following action. Okay, you will notice a dash sign. This arrow sign you can see against the subject folder on the left pane of the Windows Explorer. When you create this folder, this sign you will see at the left side of the subject folder. Okay, clicking on this sign will display the 3 new folders which you have created, and this sign will change to this sign. Okay, now see here, there is an important point regarding this. When you are creating any folder in the directory in the Windows Explorer, the first sign will be like this. Okay, in the main folder, that is a subject folder. Okay, when you are clicking on this sign, it will display 3 new folders which I have created. Remember which 3 folders we have created? Math, science and computer. That 3 folders we have created, right, which you have created, and this sign will change to this sign. Okay, when it will change from this sign to this sign, okay, means it will open. This is the this sign is that is closed. Okay, there are subfolders are attached to it, and this sign means all the folders are open. Okay, so what was your main folder? The main folder is subject folder, and the 3 main folders are math, science and computer. Okay, so here sign will be changed from this to this. Okay, now moving ahead with our third point, delete the science folder by selecting it and pressing the delete key. Okay, now you have to select the science folder by selecting it and pressing the delete key. Okay, now let us see ahead what we are going to do. Okay, drag the computer folder and drop it on the mathematics folder. Do this will move the computer folder into mathematics folder. Make different folders like this and perform some operation on them. Now students, remember that by this you can understand what is it saying about the folders. Okay, in first you are seeing this sign. Okay, when you have created the main folder, you have seen this sign. Okay, and when you are clicking on this folder, then subfolders you can see here, and the sign will change from this to this. Then you can delete also folder by pressing any folder. You can click on that and you can press the delete key. Okay, that folder will be deleted. And then when you are dragging the computer, when you are clicking on the computer and you dragging it, okay, on the mathematics, when you are putting that folder on the mathematics, then it will merge, okay, the computer folder into mathematics folder will be merged. So the folder which was mathematics folder, in that subfolder will be of computer, okay. Making different folder like this and perform some operation of them. You can make any folders you want, like mathematics, science, computer, geography, history, env. You can make any folders, right, and you can make the changes likewise. Similarly, what you have to remember, when you are also you are putting the photos file, okay, you can, what you can do, you can prepare a folders of your families, okay, of your family photos, and you can arrange for the, you can arrange different folders like weddings, birthday parties, okay, school celebration, okay, school festival is there, different photos you have. So what you have to do, you have to create different subfolders, and you can also merge and change like this, okay, using window explorer. But with window explorer you will get the, which is your main folder and which are the subfolders under that, okay. So this is about the window explorer and the files and folders. Now let us see what we have learned in this chapter. Now we are going to revise what we have learned in files and folders. We have learned file name and file extension. We have also seen the extension and the file names, different file and different file extension we have seen in this file in the tabular format, okay. Execution files also we have seen. We have also seen the Photoshop file .psd. So this extension you have to remember, right, .txt, .psd, .exe. So when you are seeing on the computer any file, you must get the idea from which is software is prepared, okay. For notepad .txt is that, and for paint is also different files are different extension is there, okay. .txt, .doc, .xls, okay. For excel it is .xls. So you have to keep in mind while seeing this, okay. Remember the following points while file name also. What we have to keep in mind while we are putting the file name, okay. It is maximum is of 255 character, and the extension must not be of more than 4 characters. What is folder we have seen, how to create folder we have also seen, and how to which operation we can perform in the folders file, okay. Delete, or you can rename any folders, you can change the name of the folder, you can delete any folder, and you can also merge the folder, okay. So these were the operation which we have done in the folder, okay. And now we have also learned how to work with files and folder using window explorer. So what is a window explorer? You also need, you can perform copy, delete and rename operation on any file or folder very easily using window explorer, okay. And we have also learned how we can create the main folder and the subfolder. Clicking on the document, on the left side of the pane, create a new folder using file new folder option, renaming the new folder with the name subjects, okay. Here we have learned we have to create the name subject folder, and we have to create three main folders using these folders: math, science and computer. These are the three subfolders which we have used, which we have created from the main folders, right. Then what we have to do, then there must be a sign, okay. This sign will be there, okay. When you double clicking on that in the window explorer, when you double clicking on the subject folder, the subject folder will be, this sign will be changed to this sign, means the file there are, this folder is open and all subject folders we can see. Now we have to delete the folder, science folder, by pressing the delete key, and you have to drag the computer folder into mathematics folder, okay. This you can perform the action, so you will get the understanding that how the folders can be merged. Now you can see, you can use your ideas in your imagination and you can merge folders and files in different things. Okay, so this was our chapter number 1, files and folders. We have completed it. If you have any question, you can ask in the live class. Okay, that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.